In this video, I'm going to show you how to trace bibs and burp cloths onto fabric. This is a 9.5-inch strip of fabric that we ripped from a flannel. What you're going to do, since this fabric doesn't have any direction on it, it's just dots, it doesn't matter which direction anything goes, you're just going to fold it over to the right size. Need to make it so that it fits on the bibs, then it's going to be right sides together. I put the bib pattern down on there, have just a little bit of room here, a little bit room at the top. Take my washable marker, just trace around all parts of it very quickly. You can see that on there. Then all you need to do is just snip between, and that is going to be ready to sew. Now if you have fabric that is a directional fabric where it only faces one way, you can't fold it over because then the pattern will be upside down. So instead, you're going to take your bib, see about how much room you need, take your scissors, cut off about that much. At that point, you'll flip over your fabric so that both sides are facing up, so you can see the pattern is facing the same way. You want to make sure that you are aware of the selvage so you don't trace on top of that. Again, put your bib down on the fabric, go ahead and trace it, and then just cut off just like you did before. The same thing is going to be true when you do a burp cloth. You'll just have a little bit longer fabric. Here's another one that is a directional one, so you have to do it right sides together, both facing up. This one I went ahead and I already traced the burp cloth, but that's the same idea. You'll trace the burp cloth that way too. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to sew the bibs and the burp cloths.